Wondering which Geyser brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Polycab Geyser brand faces issues on heating. Second, Candace Geyser brand grapples with customer is not satisfied. Third, Racold Geyser brand encounters poor service support. Fourth, Bajaj Geyser brand confronts quality issues. And fifth, Activa Geyser brand suffers from poor quality, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended Geyser brands, including first one, Crompton Geyser, second, V-Guard Geyser, third, Havells Geyser, and fourth, A.O. Smith Geyser. Let's see the comparison. Embark on our comparison journey by examining the power consumption, a uniform trait among the leading brands, Crompton, V-Guard, Havells, and A.O. Smith water heater, all boasting a power capacity of 2000 watts. Transitioning to capacity, all 4 water heater contenders provide a generous 10-liter storage, guaranteeing an abundant and consistent supply of hot water for your needs. Consider the maximum operating pressure, and you'll find that all water heater brands boast an 8 bar pressure rating for efficient performance. Dive into the realm of innovation as we explore the advanced technologies at play. Crompton water heater embraces nanopolybond technology, V-Guard water heater employs PUF injection technology, Havells water heater integrates whirlflow technology, and A.O. Smith water heater opts for the efficiency of PUF injection technology, each contributing to a unique and sophisticated heating experience. Take a closer look at the heart of these water heaters. Delve into the heating elements where Crompton water heater shines with copper, V-Guard water heater relies on nickel incalloy, Havells water heater introduces the sophistication of glass incalloy, and A.O. Smith water heater follows suit with glass incalloy, ensuring optimal heating performance across the spectrum. Evaluate the exterior craftsmanship as we assess the outer body materials. Crompton water heater boasts powder-coated metallic furnace, V-Guard water heater stands out with special coating steel, Havells water heater embraces durability with ABS plastic, and A.O. Smith water heater aligns with the robust choice of ABS plastic, presenting a diverse spectrum of quality construction. In the realm of energy efficiency, gauged by B Bureau of Energy Efficiency Ratings, Crompton, V-Guard, and A.O. Smith water heater emerge as stellar 5-star performers, while Havells water heater proudly secures a commendable 4-star rating. Highlighting the significance of origin, remarkably, pride resonates as all 4 water heater brands stand tall with the distinction of being proudly made in India. Illuminate your decision-making process with the modern touch of LED indicators, a shared feature seamlessly integrated into the designs of Crompton, V-Guard, Havells, and A.O. Smith water heaters. In the realm of post-purchase support, distinctions arise. Crompton, V-Guard, and Havells water heater garner accolades for exemplary service, contrasting with A.O. Smith water heater, which maintains a commendable yet average rating in after-sale assistance. Elevating the standards in build quality, Crompton and A.O. Smith water heater solidify their standing with a commendable rating, while V-Guard and Havells water heater ascend to excellence, earning resounding praise for their stellar craftsmanship. Ensuring reliability, warranty periods remain consistent, with all 4 water heater brands guaranteeing a solid 2-year warranty for their geysers. Zooming in on heating elements, warranty offerings diverge. Crompton and A.O. Smith water heater stand firm with a 2-year guarantee. V-Guard water heater extends assurance to 3 years, while Havells water heater takes the lead, offering an impressive 4-year warranty. Delving into inner tank warranties, longevity prevails. Crompton, V-Guard, and A.O. Smith water heater anchor their commitment with a robust 5-year guarantee, yet Havells water heater sets the bar higher, excelling with an exceptional 7-year inner tank warranty. Let we see the common and good things in all these 4 geyser brands. Extend your geyser life with a robust magnesium anode rod for enduring durability. Enjoy worry-free use with overheat protection, ensuring safety in every heating cycle. Personalize your experience using the adjustable thermostat, giving you control over water temperature. Versatile and reliable, these geysers excel in hotels, hospitals, salons, and spas for diverse environments. Elevate your living experience with geysers ideal for high-rise buildings, ensuring consistent performance at any altitude. Tackle hard water challenges effortlessly with geysers designed for optimal performance in such conditions. Opt for excellence by choosing the best-selling geyser brand online, a mark of widespread satisfaction. Prioritize safety with a multifunctional safety valve, safeguarding both your geyser and peace of mind. Embrace safety with a shockproof body, adding an extra layer of protection during every use. Enhance safety with thermal cutoff technology, preventing overheating and potential damage. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Crompton Geyser has good 4-star rating, V-Guard Geyser holds a strong 4.5-star rating, and Havells Geyser holds a strong 4.5-star rating. A.O. Smith Geyser has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: 1 water heater, wall mounting kit, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before making a geyser purchase, ensure to scrutinize crucial aspects such as robust build quality, comprehensive warranty coverage, and the efficiency of the heating element to guarantee a reliable and enduring investment in your daily comfort. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived, choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.